All right, it's time for Everett's World Series pick. We have Everett and two really old pennants from the 80s. And he is going to give us his World Series pick. You ready? I think Mommy needs to move out of the way. You ready to pick one? You ready to pick? Ha! We have, I don't think he gets the concept here, but we have the Rangers and the Cardinals. And he is going to pick one. No, we're not loading the dice. So you just got to pick one, and then you can go to bed. Just pick one. He does not seem to like baseball. All you gotta do is pick one. Just grab one pennant.
So, is it a tie?
No, he's got to pick one.
This could be a while.
This is going to be a long video. He's looking everywhere but the pennants. All he has to do is pick one. Oh, he's making his choice, we think. No, he's not.